What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're at my wholesaling real estate office here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come with me. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find investor-friendly title companies. An investor-friendly title company is 100% essential to your success with wholesaling real estate, because the only title companies that will close wholesale deals are investor-friendly title companies. So we're walking over to my other office. I got multiple offices in this building. I'm renting out like the whole building at this point, scaling my businesses. But we're going over to my other office where I'm going to break it down on a whiteboard for you what exactly an investor-friendly title company is and how to find them. Now, as we head over there, I want to tell you about a couple ways I can help you. Number one, every single week I hold a free 1-hour live training with me personally where I teach you exactly how to wholesale real estate step by step and how to make $20,000 on your first deal in the next 30 days. So click the link down below, sign up for my next free live training that's coming up, and I'll see you there. Also, I have my free wholesaling university. There's almost 2,000 students in there. Guys, it's a free course with 20 videos showing you everything you need to know step by step on exactly how to get your first deal. So guys, I know everybody out there is charging for courses. I want to give it to you for free so that way you can learn how to get your first deal. So click the link down below, sign up for my free wholesaling university, and I'll see you inside the platform. But let's jump on the whiteboard and let me break down what an investor-friendly title company is and how to find it. All right, let's break it down. What is an investor-friendly title company? First off, what is a title company? You might not know what a title company is. So a title company is a neutral third party that conducts real estate transactions. They close the real estate transactions. So what do? They get the contracts from you. Contracts from you, okay? They get the contracts from you. Then they're going to order what's called a title search on the property. They're going to order a title search on the property. What is a title search? A title search is where they go and they look at the deed history of the property and they see everything that's been recorded on the property's title over the past existence. So that way they know, is the property free and clear? Is there any liens on the property? Is there any judgments? Who's the owner? Is the person that signed the contract actually the owner? Right? They confirm all this information to make sure that the title is clear. So a title company is used to clear title. They're used to check the title. They're used to clear the title. And then they're used to close the deal. Okay? They're used to close the deal. All right? So they're going to do a title search. Now, once they get that title search back, they're going to issue a title insurance policy. Title. Sorry, my handwriting's really bad. Insurance. Okay, what is a title insurance policy? So that is a policy that they place on it when they are transferring the title, when they are conducting the real estate transaction. They're ensuring that the title is clear, and then they're issuing a title insurance policy, an insurance policy ensuring that the title is clear and ensuring that the transaction is going to be closed successfully. This is what title companies are. Now, what is the difference between a regular title company and an investor-friendly title company? An investor-friendly title company is a title company that works with fix and flippers, wholesalers, developers, investors. They work with people that do creative real estate transactions, whereas a standard title company might only work with realtors on traditional transactions. Okay? And when we're doing a wholesale deal, it is not a traditional transaction. It is an assignment transaction. Okay? When we are wholesaling, we are doing an assignment transaction. What is wholesaling real estate? We are finding a motivated seller. We are getting a property under contract at a discount. Let's say we get it under contract for $100,000. We are then going to market the property to cash buyers. We're going to find a cash buyer that wants to buy the deal, let's say for $120,000. We are then going to use an assignment contract to assign our rights in that purchase contract to that buyer for a $20,000 fee. You hear that word, assignment contract, assignment transaction. We have a contract, which is between us and the seller. And then we have the B contract, which is us selling to the cash buyer. And we are doing an assignment. So we need to find title companies that are willing to do assignment transactions. If we are working with the title company and they won't do an assignment transaction, that's going to cause us problems when we're trying to wholesale real estate. So how do we find investor-friendly title companies? Okay, number one way is you go to jacobblank.com/title. If you go to jacobblank.com/title, I'm going to give you my list of investor-friendly title companies across the country. Go to jacobblank.com/title and download my investor-friendly title company list. It's going to be a list of a bunch of states with a bunch of investor-friendly title companies for you to use right away. So that's the easiest way. Number two is you get on Google and you search title company. Okay? And you are going to go ahead and call through them all. You're going to call through them all and you're going to say, hey, my name is Jacob. I am a real estate investor. I'm trying to conduct a wholesale transaction. Do you do assignment transactions? Do you do assignment transactions? That's the big question we need to ask these title companies. Do you do assignment transactions? And if the front desk lady is like, I don't know, then say, hey, can I speak to an escrow officer? An escrow officer is the one that actually does all this. They organize the file, they do the title search, all that, the escrow officer. So get the escrow officer on the phone. The escrow officer is going to know what type of transactions do they do, right? So then ask the escrow officer, do you do assignment transactions? Can I send you this wholesale deal? Can we do this transaction, okay? That is way number two, right? Calling through title companies. Way number three is real estate Facebook groups and networking. Go on real estate Facebook groups in your market and put up a post and ask everybody in the group, hey, do you have an investor-friendly title company that I can get connected with, right? Network with other wholesalers. Hey, what title company are you using? And then the final way, that's usually the best, one of the best, is cash buyers. Go ahead and call up a cash buyer in the area that's buying deals from wholesalers and say, hey, cash buyer, what title company do you close your deals at? I need to find a good investor-friendly title company. Cash buyers. Guys, these are all the ways to find an investor-friendly title company. This is what a title company does. This is what's the difference between an investor-friendly title company versus just a regular title company. What type of transaction are we doing when we're wholesaling? An assignment transaction. All right? Now, the final thing I want to mention is, guys, again, the easiest way is to just go to jacobblank.com/title. Go here. Go there. Because I'm going to give you a list of investor-friendly title companies for 100% free. You're going to be set up for success right away because you're going to have a list of investor-friendly title companies right away. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not in my free wholesaling university, sign up for my course. It's free. There's a link down below in the description. Also, I hold a free 1-hour live training every single Wednesday. And I hope to see you there. Click the link down below in the description. Sign up for the live training. It's 1 hour with me where I break down step by step how to make $20,000 in the next 30 days getting your first wholesale deal. I'll see you on the live training. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. More videos on the way to help you with wholesaling, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.